Are you a QuickBooks user and looking to complete your first Making Tax Digital filing? Then this video is for you. Hi, if you're new here, welcome. My name's Lucy and I run Burton's Academy, where I help provide accounting top tips and training from QuickBooks or Xero or any other accounting software you may be using for business owners as well as accountants. During this video, we are focusing on QuickBooks and Making Tax Digital. So this typically impacts those that are self-assessment, sole traders, or even landlords. So over on QuickBooks, what we want to do, we have connected our QuickBooks account to HMRC already. This video does not show you how to do that. So if you do need a hand in that, go over to my other video. But in the meantime, what we need to do is find our Making Tax Digital page. So click on All Apps and Income Tax and then Overview. You can also access this from the main page. So if you're on the home page again, you can always scroll on over along this top ribbon until you find Income Tax. Now you can customize that top ribbon as well. So you could always have your income tax further along to the left if that's what you're going to access a lot more. So do have a play around with those as well. So once you have connected your HMRC account and we've gone past the first quarter or any of the dates, this is what you would expect to see. So during the quarter, you will have your self-assessment and it will start populating. So you will have your basic turnover, and then you also have all of your expenses in the relevant categories that HMRC require them. For example, you can see that we are using car, van, and travel expenses in this one. And so once you have reviewed all of these, so you can click on any of the numbers that have items in it. So for example, phone, fax, and stationery, that becomes a tick box. So you can actually click into that and go and look into the detail behind that if you need to. But we're not going to do that today. But if you were to click on that, that will open up a new page which will show you the detail behind that figure. Your check. Once you've completed your check process, so that means you've gone through all these categories and just making sure that they do look about right. So for example, I know that I have loads of rent this quarter, but rent is currently zero. Well, that's not right. That means my rent has been allocated into a different category incorrectly. So then I need to go away and have a look into that. But once you're happy with the basics, you can then go over and have a look at this. What this is saying is our taxable profit as of right now. And so again, we can see at whether we are making a profit or loss for the first quarter. So it's really handy information. But because we are making a loss, this doesn't then show us what a potential tax figure will be. And it's just saying net minus. But once you're happy with that, again, you've got your income tax at the top and national insurance estimates. So do have a read of that, make sure they are correct for you. You will then see over to the right are deadlines. So we have got these nice reminders here to say the first deadline is the 7th of August. So we need to submit the update by then. And then the next one is the 7th of November. And again, that's when we need to submit our second quarter by. So for this particular one, we can either go on and click Submit Update here. Alternatively, we can click View and Submit All Obligations up here. So I will leave you to do that now. And that's it. That's how you go and submit your tax return for the first quarter. I do hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe and follow along for more helpful top tips from Burton's Academy. I'll see you at the next one.